Guys, it's Wednesdays and one of the biggest ships in the world is here today. So let's see how busy we get. And they just came in, so they should start coming over in, the next 30, 40 minutes as they get off the ship. So check it out. We'll see what we do today. Tell you what, the water's looking beautiful today. Check this out, huh? We have a giant swimming pool here, right under the ship. This is one of the excursions you can do if you want to do a smaller group, a private party. This is the paddle boat. You can actually pedal if you want and help move the boat. All right, guys, not too crowded. I'm surprised. A big ship like that, we didn't get that many coming here. But if you don't like crowds, it's a good day to be here. Check it out. Guys, I'm here today with the famous Scoops and Brew girls. They came to see us today.
Yeah.
All righty, we're gonna give them a golf cart, let them explore the island.
Gonna show them my hood.
Show them the hood. Okay, stay left, Cece. Stay left.
I know.
No fooling around on the cart.
Okay.
Without me.
Not without you, Joe.
Not without me. All right, have fun, girls.
All right, thank
You're in good hands. Cece knows this island better than me. She takes her dates up to that fort. Bye. Bye-bye. Hang on.